Hello, hi everybody. Welcome to our Model Maths Nagaraj Sir YouTube channel. Really, thank you to following our classes regularly. And today in our class, second year Maths to be third chapter parabola we are going to learn. So this third chapter parabola, next ellipse, then after hyperbola. These three comes under conic section. So that's why before know about parabola, we have to know what is conic. So then after from conic we can know the what is parabola, what is ellipse, what is hyperbola. Okay, so we are starting. First we have some concepts, basics concepts. After that we can start the problems. So these concepts are very important. So no need to this definition, but if you know the definition, that is very good to us. Then after we can start what is parabola and so on and so. So before going to our lecture, if you are newly watching, please subscribe and please like button and please click the bell button also after subscribing our channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you. Okay, just now I have said conic. Conic means what? Simply nothing but it is a constant ratio. Simply nothing but constant ratio. Constant ratio means it is a fraction. Yes. So ratio of which terms? Okay. So that I am going to explain. Conic means simply it is a constant ratio. Constant ratio of two terms. Suppose P is a point on the curve. P is a point, a curve. And the distance from P to a fixed point and distance from P to a fixed straight line. The ratio of these two terms means SP by PM is called conic. So this is constant ratio, that is conic. Okay, the same definition is given here. Once see the definition, conic, please note down. The locus of a point P which moves such that the distance from a fixed point to P, the distance from a fixed point to P is always a constant ratio. Okay, is always a constant ratio. Constant ratio to its distance from a fixed straight line. Constant ratio to which? Distance from a fixed straight line, that is PM, is called conic. So that is definition. No one will ask in the question exam what is conic definition. Okay, just listen, write in the fay notes, you can leave it. Next onwards important, the fixed point is called focus. So this fixed point, the name is given as focus, that is denoted by capital S. Focus is denoted by what? Capital S. Next fixed straight line also is there. Yes, that fixed straight line is called directrix line. Fixed straight line is called directrix line. Please note down. And that fixed straight line is denoted by small l. Denoted by small l. Okay. Next, last one, constant ratio. The constant ratio is called eccentricity. So constant ratio is taken as eccentricity. Eccentricity is denoted by small e. So that's why constant ratio small e, the ratio of which terms? Distance from a fixed point to point and distance from a fixed straight line to point, that is SP by PM equal to E. Okay. So this is the introduction part of the conic. So now if this constant ratio is 1, then that is called, the conic is called parabola. And if E value is less than 1, that is called ellipse. What is that called? Ellipse. What do we call? Ellipse. What we can say? Ellipse. Next, if E value is greater than 1, then that is called hyperbola. Okay. So please note down point by point. Up to here clearly, please note down. Next, first one, if E is equal to 1, then the conic is called parabola. Okay, next second point, E is less than 1 called as ellipse, ELLIPSE. Okay, next third one, E is greater than 1 then called as hyperbola. Okay, we have three topics, one is parabola, second one is ellipse, third one is hyperbola, and there is a internal relationship among these three chapters. So that's why if you are good in one chapter, using that chapter we can learn the concepts of other chapters. Similarly, from using ellipse we can write the hyperbola. Okay, these two have very similar, very near relations, almost all same to same topics are there, small difference. If we identify that small difference, we can easily know the what is hyperbola after knowing ellipse. So before that, what is parabola, first let us see. And in mathematics, generally for every topic like circles, what is the general equation, some x square plus y square plus 2gx, so and so is there. So like that also the parabola also have a equation, general equation. So please note down. Now the topic parabola we are now onwards we are going to know about parabola. So the standard form of our general equation, standard form of parabola is y square equal 4ax. Okay, now onwards we have to use the equation of parabola is y square equal to 4ax. Okay, so in this parabola equation y square equal to 4ax, what is focus, what is directrix line, what is eccentricity, and what are any other points are there, let us we know. Okay, so up to here clear? Can I remove this? Thank you. So here simply directly I am saying formulas we are going to know. So formulas also, how the formulas all derived also I am telling here, because of in that way if we learn very without any confusion, very easily we can remember the formulas. So first one, y square is equal 4ax. Okay, using this, what is picture, what is diagram of this y square equal 4x? Just now in the conic definition I just draw roughly, but here very clearly I will draw the what is parabola. It is y axis and it is x axis. So the parabola equation, the parabola curve is like so this is parabola. So there is no end, it's going on, there is no end. A point on curve is P and the fixed point is, here I am taking capital S, and directrix line is quietly opposite to capital S and very equal distance to capital S. So here directrix line small l. So now the ratio of distance from point to fixed point and the distance from point to fixed straight line is constant ratio, that is conic. The constant ratio is E, the E value is 1, means the distance of these two are equal. SB by PM is equal to 1. So that is parabola. So that parabola equation is y square equal 4ax. So this is the general diagram of y square equal 4ax parabola. So this is what is this? This is x axis, y axis. So it is 0, 0. Yes. So from here to here, let I am taking, assume the distance is a. then the point becomes a comma 0. Am I right? So here it becomes, from here to here it is a, so here to here it is minus a, so it becomes minus a comma 0, and p any point x1 comma y1. Now this is directrix line. Can you say what is directrix line? See, x value is minus a, y value is 0. That means x coordinate is minus a, y coordinate is 0. So here x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a means bring left side, minus a bring left side, x plus a equal 0. So this is called the equation of directrix. So each and every point is got it. So write one by one. First point for this parabola y square equal 4x. What is focus? Sorry, first what is vertex? This is vertex capital A. So capital A is 0 comma 0. Dear friends, starting only we have introduction part. It may get bore or it may get interest, depend on you, but whatever it, listen carefully, listen with having patience, and continue the topic. Slowly we can enter into the problems and very easily we can complete our chapter. Okay. So here also most important, what are the most important questions are there, I can stress. Already you can observe in previous exams also you have seen the questions which comes under what I taught. Really, yeah, I am also very happy to minimizing the syllabus and giving the way of teaching in different way. Okay, so thank you. First vertex is 0 comma 0. Second, focus. What is focus? Capital S. We have to use the words again and again. We have to repeat what is focus, yes, a comma 0, what is vertex, a 0 0. So like that if we repeat, so automatically we can remember. Okay. So here also, what is focus? Please tell me. Focus capital S is a comma 0. Next, third one, equation of directrix line. What is equation of directrix? X plus a equal 0. Okay. And this is called equation of axis. This is called equation of axis. What is that? X axis. So fourth point we can write equation of axis. So these are very useful formulas. Equation of axis is answer x axis. Then and also we can say x axis. What is the equation of x axis? Anybody knows? What is the equation of x axis? Equation of x axis means generally on x axis there are no y coordinates 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, so and so the points lies on the x axis are. In every point y coordinate is 0, y coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, y coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. That's why equation of x axis is y equal to 0. So y equal to small y equal 0. So what we can say, equation of x axis means we can say the equation of x axis is x axis, or we can say y equal 0. Both are correct answers. Next, lattice rectum. So we can see what is lattice rectum after these points. So first, lattice rectum means generally it is a perpendicular line passing through focus. So it is small a comma up to here a, up to from here to here taken as minus 2a. This is a comma plus 2a. Okay. So end points of or ends of lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Or one is a comma 2a and second one a comma minus 2a. And the distance between these two becomes 4a, or we can see in the question also 4a. This 4a is called the length of lattice rectum. This is very important point. Okay. The length of lattice rectum. Simply we can LLR also we can write, that is 4a. So these are the very useful important points. Okay, what is vertex? Center, not center. What is vertex? 0 0. Focus a comma 0, and directrix line x plus a equal 0. and equation of x-axis, equation of axis is x-axis, ends of lattice rectum a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a, and the length of lattice rectum is 4a. So this is very important. Each and every concept the same length of lattice rectum, and it is repeated in every concept. And what is next standard form of parabola? Okay. See, the same picture here, vertex is 0 0. Okay, same diagram. So here you will say the each and every vertex what is focus of next question. Okay, 8 things are there similarly in this way. So see, remaining 7 are like in this way and depend on this. First I am drawing the same diagram. P, S, but I am not writing what is S. Okay, directrix line. So this is vertex. So this is taken as x-axis, y-axis in the previous question. Now it is moved. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Means vertex is shifted from 0 0 to h comma k. So means how can we write? So very simple. Each and every term add h comma k, h comma k, h comma k. Okay. Here also h. For x coordinate take h. For y coordinate take k. So we get h plus a comma k. Okay. Second one, y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h. The same thing. So first one, what is first one? Vertex. So vertex is add h comma k to 0 0. We get 0 plus h, 0, 0 plus k, k. Second point is focus. So focus S is add h becomes h plus a, h plus a, k plus 0, k. Next third one, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. See here, actually this is minus a comma 0 starting. Whenever h comma k is entered, it becomes h minus a comma k. So here x value is k. Here x value becomes, equation becomes x is equal to h minus a. This is directrix line. So it becomes, bring left side, x minus h plus a equal to 0. So it becomes x minus h plus a equal to 0. Okay, completed. Yes. Next, fourth one, equation of axis. Here not x-axis, the axis is parallel to x-axis. So equation of x-axis is parallel to x-axis, or in another way what we can say, not y equal 0, y equal to constant k. Here k is there, k write down. Next fifth one, end points of lattice rectum same. Next sixth one, length of lattice rectum 4a same. Okay, already I have told you this formula is always 4a to each and every concept in the second concept. It's clear? Next third concept. Okay, the picture is in the right side. If it is left side, so what is the equation? Y square equal minus 4ax. Y square equal minus 4ax. The diagram will be left side of the y-axis. So it is x-axis, y-axis. Now what is this? Minus a comma 0. So this is point. This is directrix line M. So if it is minus a comma 0, it becomes plus a comma 0. Okay. Then focus we got it minus a comma 0. Vertex we got it 0 0. Okay. This is what? This is S dash, and this is called directrix line. Here x value is a. So directrix line equation x is equal to a. That means x minus a equal to 0. So write down step by step. First one, vertex is 0 0, no change. Second one, focus What is focus? S is, sorry, this is focus, it is S dash, no need to express what is that, minus a comma 0. Next third one is what? Third one, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. What is the equation of directrix? X minus a equal to 0. Next, fourth one, ends of lattice rectum. Ends of lattice rectum. Ends of lattice rectum. So here the points on the right side is a to a minus 2a. Whenever it goes to left side, it becomes minus a to a minus 2a. So we get minus a to a minus a minus 2a. Okay. What is the length of lattice rectum? 4a. Okay. In each and every problem, the length of lattice rectum is 4a. So this is third one. Next, fourth one. Whenever this origin is shifted to some h comma k. Okay. Can I remove this? Okay. Please note down. I told you these are the concepts, basics. This is a completely introduction part. Okay. In our mathematics, simply we want always calculation part. So whenever we enter into calculation part, at that time we feel calculation part is very easy. So whenever theory part, we feel some difficult. But don't think, just leave in your mind and follow. Fourth one, y minus k whole square equal minus 4a of x minus k, x minus h. Okay. So the diagram, next in 7 marks question, we have very important question is standard form of y square equal 4a is how to prove. So very easy concept. I will tell you in the beginning of the long questions. For this conic parabola, actually first 0, 0, but whenever it is shifted x axis, y axis, first one vertex. So vertex what? H comma k. From the diagram we can write, or from the question also we can write. Next, focus. Focus S is what? So here h plus a comma k, but here what? Okay. First let us see the diagram. This is focus. This is in the left side of x axis, it is minus a, it is k. So directrix line, this is what is that? See there, h plus a comma k. So here directrix equation x is equal to h plus a. Okay. Focus h minus a comma k. Third one, equation of directrix. X is equal to h plus a, or bring left side, x minus h minus a equal 0. Next, fourth one. What is fourth one? Okay, the remaining are same to same, no need to write again. Okay, ends points of lattice rectum are same. Okay, can I write? Ends of lattice rectum, same. Okay, so no need to write, no need to know. So these three are enough. Next, similarly, however, we have written for y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, and y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h, and y minus k whole square equal to minus 4a into x minus h. 4 terms are there. Similarly, similarly, we have another 4 for x square equal to 4ay, x square equal to minus 4ay, x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y, 4a of y minus k, and remaining. Okay. So obviously we can learn after first, second one we can learn this, then third we can learn this, fourth we can learn this. However we learn, so you, remembering these concepts is the most important. And mostly what is vertex, what is focus, that is important. And most important is the length of lattice rectum 4a. These three points are very most important. So next concept, fifth one. Okay. When we enter into the problems, we can feel very happily because of there also I will tell you how to use the formulas, how to get the formulas. Okay. Next, fifth one, x square equal 4ay, a only, don't write b. So for this the diagram is like in this way. This is 0, 0. So this is focus. Okay. So this is directrix line. And what about these points? It is on y-axis. So y-axis it becomes 0, a. So it becomes 0, minus a. So that therefore the equation of directrix becomes here x is equal to 0, y equal to minus a. So y equal to minus a, equation of directrix becomes y plus a equal to 0. So this is becomes directrix line. So this one, sorry, here I am writing y equal to minus a becomes y plus a equal to 0. So this is equation of directrix. Okay. So now tell me what is vertex? 0, 0. Second one, what is focus? Focus, yes, 0, a. What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix is minus a, y equal to minus a, means y plus a equal to 0. Next, equation of axis. Equation of axis, this is equation of axis here. Okay, passing through axis, this is equation of axis. So this is y-axis. So equation of axis means y-axis. Or we can write the equation of axis nothing but simply x is equal to 0. Okay, and always length of lattice rectum is 4a. And is anything is more? Yeah, end points. Ends of lattice rectum minus 2a comma a and 2a comma a. Okay, 2a comma a minus 2a comma a. So however we write 2 points, one is L, one is L dash, length of lattice rectum, ends of lattice rectum. Next, length of lattice rectum is 4a. So these are the points. Next, 6th one, of course x square equal minus 4ay, and next one x minus h whole square equal 4a into y minus k. Okay, the same diagram. Why it is shifted to h comma k. So in each and every term h add h plus 0. So it becomes h comma k plus a, k plus a. So focus is h comma k plus a. Second point. First point vertex h comma k. Third point equation of directrix. So 0 comma minus a it is. So now it becomes h comma k minus a. So that means y equal to k minus a, means y minus k plus a equal to 0. So equation of directrix. Next, fourth one, equation of x axis. Here equation of x is not this. Okay, this is only, but which is parallel to this y axis. So equation of axis is parallel to y axis. That means x is equal to k. Next fifth one, ends of lattice rectum. Okay, no need to write. Length of lattice rectum 4a. That's it. 7. Next 8. So this is also we can say it is becomes down of the x-axis. So what is this point? Why I am writing in this way? Because of already we know what are the points on x-axis, what are the points on y-axis, what is the first quadrant point, second quadrant points, do you know? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Okay. So now the points on this y-axis, this is 0 comma minus a. Okay. So here obviously 0 comma plus a. So it is yes. Okay. So here y coordinate is a, so y equal to a. So this is equation of directrix. Now tell me, first one vertex 0 0, second one focus 0 comma minus a, third one equation of directrix L is y equal to a, means y minus a equal 0. Fourth one equation of axis is y axis only. Okay, that is x is equal to 0. Next sixth one, ends of lattice rectum, no need. Otherwise if you want to write down minus 2a comma a, left to right. So here also it is minus, it is plus. 2a comma minus a, 2a comma minus 2a comma minus a. Next length of lattice rectum 4a. So these three are enough. So this is more very important. Next x minus h whole square equal minus 4a into y minus k. So at this time also the same, yes, x axis, y axis. So here down, okay. That's it. So same formulas. Okay, quite opposite to this we can write, or for this add h comma k. Okay, you will get vertex h comma k. What is focus? So here h comma k plus a. So here also becomes h comma k minus a. Equation of axis directrix y minus k minus a equal to 0. Okay. So just keep plus ball minus and minus, you will get a complete. Okay. So these are the concepts of parabola. So however, whatever, don't fear about these concepts. You just listen, we just learn first standard formula of parabola and what is vertex, what is focus, what is direct line, what is length of lattice rectum. Okay. So that is most important. So main important is that one in our parabola chapter. Okay. So next one small concept, after that I will give the formulas, then after we can enter into 2 marks questions, or we can write 7 marks also. Okay. So please note down. Okay. Complete basics are completed. So 8th one, h comma k minus a, y minus k minus a, x minus. Sorry, here equation of axis of this parallel to y axis means x is equal to h. Okay. So next last one, the equation x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square equal to lx plus my plus n whole square by l square m square. In this, here alpha beta taken as focus, not vertex. Here no vertex is not available vertex. Alpha beta taken as focus, and lx plus my plus n, this is called directrix line, and equation of axis is m into x minus alpha minus l into y minus beta equal 0. Okay. So very clearly I am saying, first just write down these all concepts, and what we have to remember means most probably the first one we should remember, and immediately second one also. In each and every category remember length of latus rectum is 4a. That's it. And what is standard formula of parabola? Y square equal 4ax. In the first one, what is vertex? 0, 0. What is focus? A comma 0. What is directrix line equation? Okay. So first one is remember. What about next one means you just do the practice. Just write on the paper according to changing the diagrams, changing the values. You can know how we are deriving these terms. Otherwise just by heart. But we get a waste of time by hearting. Once or two times you just revise and leave it and enter into the 2 marks problems. So there we can understand, and 4 definitions are there. What is card? Okay, like that. Another 3 definitions are there. I will tell you the small definitions, single line, and what are the 2 marks questions in this parabola. Which 2 marks questions are repeated in the exam mostly, and what questions are enough, and each and everything. In the next second part I can complete all 2 marks questions, and in the third part and fourth part I will complete 7 marks questions. I will just tell you only 4 7 marks questions. Those 4 are very most important. Those 4 long questions are only repeated in the exam in each and every time. So what are those 4 7 marks questions means we can know in the part 3 maybe. So in part we will try to complete 2 marks questions. Just 10 are there only in this chapter. 10 are enough. Okay. So thank you for watching our classes regularly. Please subscribe if you are newly watching. Thank you.